how important are friendships to maintaining not just sanity, but happiness?
Yeah.
I think they're very important, but you tell us.
Yeah, they're huge. I mean, if I had to pick one thing you could do to be happier, it would be to improve and engage in social connection, whether that's with a really good friend, with a stranger. And this is the kind of stuff that matters not just for things like happiness, but for longevity too. There's some lovely work coming out of Bob Walderman's lab at Harvard that's been part of this sort of Harvard adult study of development, right? So they follow individual Harvard students from way back in the day through their 80s, and now they're kind of continuing this longitudinal study, studying, not just those individuals, but the kids of those individuals and the grandkids of those individuals. And one of the things that this really long-running, huge study has found is that if you want the best predictor of happiness in life, but also health later in life, it really just seems to boil down to your social connections. They just matter much more than we think.
In both ways, right? So if you have a lot of connections and a lot of friendships, you're healthy. And I guess it follows that the opposite is true, but not always. And people who don't have friends or connections to loved ones are at the worst peril of depression and disease, right?
The Surgeon General likes to quote that you self-report on surveys that you feel very lonely. That's as bad as smoking 15 cigarettes a day.